Hi, I'm Sarb Johal and welcome to my channel, which is all about mobile and 360 video and photography and how to edit for great results. Yes, this channel is all about 360 cameras, action cameras, small cameras, the mobile devices we use to edit this footage and the apps that enable us to do this. I'll be showing you footage from the devices edited to some cool music too, and reviewing the devices and the apps and services that help you to deliver great results like I do. I've been taking photographs since I was about 4 years old and got into mobile video early, even before this modern age of social media sharing and Instagram and all that jazz. So I've used a lot of devices in my time. So although my channel is pretty new, you can be sure that I'm bringing a heap of experience in both video and photography to my channel, including being published in national magazines and newspapers, solo and group exhibitions, and winning awards for my photography too. Mobile photography and videography has been something that I've been interested in for a long time, and 360 cameras capture the world in such a unique way. I think we should be seeing more footage from these devices from all over the world. I'd love to help you get excited about the possibilities and get you making and sharing your own content too, even if it's just to complete projects for yourself and your family and friends. So I'll be releasing videos at least once a week, sometimes twice a week, depending on what's going on with my other channel on psychology and what's going on with my kids too. Expect to see reviews, how-to guides, and plenty of examples of footage set to music so I can show you the world from a different angle too, and hopefully inspire you to do the same. Be sure to let me know who you are and where to find you so I can see your stuff too. So if this sounds like what you're into and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe now and make sure to check the bell notification too so you know when I've put a new video out. And if you're super keen to support what I do, then check out my Patreon page to see how you can help me produce even more content. Check that out at patreon.com/Sarb Johal. Hey, thank you for watching. I really hope you subscribe and don't forget to comment on my videos too. I'd love to know who you are and what you think about what I'm producing here. Go well, and thanks again.